At times like these, when there are sneakers, sneakers, and more sneakers, hype, hype, and more hype. But hype does not last long if you think about it. Sneakers that released a year ago, or maybe 2, 3, 4 years ago, nobody is talking about them anymore, except a few of them. The point I am trying to make is just hear me out. The classics are important. Classics are always dope. They don't need any hype to sell, but they end up being very underrated. I have done a video previously showing all-time classic sneakers. The link to that video is on the bubble above. With that said, let's quickly dive into today's review of a brand which has created quite a few iconic classic sneakers like the 990s and the 996. Today, I'm going to review the New Balance 997H. The New Balance 997H is the revival of one of the most revered and iconic silhouettes of the 997. The 997 debuted back in 1992, designed by Steven Smith. You might be also familiar with the 997S. While the S stands for sports, the H stands for hypothesis. The 997H keeps the original shape and the original design by Steven Smith, along with the feature essence and the embossed New Balance branding in the midsole. The 997H switches out the C-cap and N-cap midsole for the latest ground contact EVA booster, also known as GC-EVA technology, which helps in shock absorption and cushioning. EVA insole with perforations for breathability. You can wear these all day and have no foot issues. The overall comfort of the shoe is good. This is not something that is going to blow your mind or crazy at all, but the feeling of wearing them is just amazing. Premium suede on the mudguard and heel, slightly stiff mesh on the vamp and on top of the heel counter compared to the 997S. Reflective strip on the front of the quarter panel. Continuing on the upper, you get the big N branding stitched in the middle of it. The synthetic leather tongue with the nylon label branding, and on the heel pull tab with the NB branding. Soft and thick cushioning on the heel does not allow your foot to slip out of the shoe, which is very useful while running and walking. Heel stabilizers like it has in most of the New Balance sneakers. Black TPU outsole for durability. Weighing just under 400 grams, this is an extremely lightweight shoe compared to the 997 on foot and on pocket. I really love the GC EVA foam. I feel responsive and bouncy. I seriously think that the 997 series sneakers are one of the most underrated sneakers in the market. The shoes are amazing and the collabs are dope. The materials used on these are pretty high quality, especially for the shoe that is just under 5000 rupees price tag. I definitely don't want to say that this is the best colorway among all. I feel all the colorways are dope and anyone can rock a pair of these. With approximately 30 colorways to choose from, it's a must have for any sneakerheads and a sneaker collector. Now if you have stayed all this while, feel free to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at KicksConnect. I will leave the links to these on the description down below. Hit like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. It might be a simple gesture, but it really helps the channel grow. Also, share your thoughts on these dope looking sneakers if you have a pair of these or if you are thinking to get them. I'll leave the link of these on the description below.